Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm taking the Top-Force out after a full rebuild. If you saw my previous video, I lost control and it went into a river. And there was quite a lot of parts that I needed to change as well. But I got it together now, and I'm thinking of giving it a first test run. So I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not, but let's have a go. It's pulling very much to one side. I think I just have to try to fix that before we do anything more. Okay, fix the steering, so let's go down. Oh, there's a car parked there. Okay, anyway, let's just go down here and give it a go. I can put some more speed on it. So it's a new motor and a new ESC in it. And I'm not used to the sound you can hear when I give a little bit of speed. I'm not used to that sound, so I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Too bad my GPS is out of power, because it's somehow I think the car seems a lot faster now. It's harder to control. And I should mention that the battery is actually just on storage. So not sure how long it's gonna last. Okay, so let's turn there and here we go. No. Oops. To be honest, I think it's a lot faster than it used to be, because I can't really control it. That's good. Oh no, my sticker! My vintage Tamiya sticker. Stay down there. Well, as you can see, it's working. Yeah, I think I just have to call it a day, because I have to find a bigger space where I can test it and see, and I have to charge the GPS as well, so try it. But until then, just take care and stay safe, and I'll see you